Experiencing connectivity issues or need to update your network security? Resetting your T-Mobile 5G Wi-Fi gateway can solve many problems. This involves restoring default settings, which can resolve connectivity issues, security concerns, or configuration errors. There are two main types of resets: SSID password restore and band settings. As of October 2025, T-Mobile's My T-Mobile app allows for remote resets. These resets restore factory defaults like the SSID network name, which might default to T-Mobile.xxxx, where XXXX is the last four digits of the IMEI. Make sure you back up any custom settings before proceeding, as a reset will erase them. Recent developments include firmware enhancements for the Arcadian KVD21 and Nokia FastMile gateways, which now support automatic band optimization and improved security protocols. To reset your SSID and password, use the T-Mobile app or access the gateway's web interface, typically at 192.168.12.1. This will restore your network name and password to their original factory settings. Remember to create a new secure password after the reset. For band settings, understand that these control frequency bands: 2.4 GHz, wider range, slower speeds; 5 GHz, faster, shorter range; and potentially 6 GHz for low latency. T-Mobile gateways usually auto-select bands, but you can manually tweak them for prioritization, such as forcing 5 GHz for gaming. A hardware reset uses a pinhole button, hold 10 to 15 seconds. Software resets via the admin panel. Always power cycle the device post-reset. Future gateways are expected to have biometric authentication for admin access. Remember to check your firmware version before resetting to avoid potential lockouts.